You need concrete quantities, Rebar estimate, and a clean breakdown by structure type. Let's see how long this takes. I'll use Claude 4.6 the fastest. Lightning icons show speed. One prompt covers it all. Volumes per element, subtotals by category, and Rebar weight using my own coefficient. BIBIM scans the entire model. Done. BIBIM generates the code, and here's the result. Nearly 900 elements, over 3,200 cubic meters of concrete, about 315 tons of Rebar, fully grouped with subtotals. Next, quick follow-up, export to Excel. One tab per category, summary on the first sheet. BIBIM reuses the context, generates the code instantly. Just click Generate it. BIBIM handles the rest. Done. Code is ready. Apply changes. BIBIM runs the preview, check the logs. Everything looks correct. The Excel is generated and the code is reusable. The file is saved to the C drive. Let's open it. Summary first. Ready for the estimator, 5 tabs. Each category includes family type, count, volume, and Rebar estimate. Less effort, more output, BIBIM.